Within one of the most beautiful and iconic villages in France, this elegant former presbytery offers timeless character, panoramic countryside views, and an exceptional lifestyle opportunity in the heart of the Tarn. Cordes-sur-Ciel is renowned for its winding medieval streets, vibrant cafes, artisan boutiques, and breathtaking hilltop setting. And this remarkable property places you right at the center of it all. Behind its historic facade lies a home filled with warmth, charm, and generous proportions. The interiors blend classic French elegance with a relaxed, shabby chic style, creating inviting spaces designed for both family living and entertaining. The main residence offers 4 spacious bedrooms and beautifully flowing living areas, each filled with natural light and character. From many of the windows, the surrounding countryside stretches out before you, a constant reminder of the extraordinary setting. Separate from the main house, a guest annex provides 3 additional bedrooms and its own entrance, offering excellent flexibility for visiting friends and family or potential seasonal rental accommodation, subject to the necessary permissions. Outside, the lifestyle appeal truly comes into focus. The heated saltwater infinity pool enjoys spectacular panoramic views across the rolling landscape, while the expansive terrace creates the perfect setting for long summer lunches, sunset dinners, and relaxed evenings under the southern French sky. A second terrace, beside the kitchen, offers another peaceful outdoor space, ideal for morning coffee or quiet moments away from the world. There is also exciting future potential here. A large attic space with excellent ceiling height and staircase access offers scope for further development, subject to permissions, adding yet another layer of possibility to an already impressive home. Whether imagined as a substantial family residence, a luxurious holiday escape, or a character-filled hospitality project, this is a property that effortlessly combines history, lifestyle, and opportunity. A truly rare find in one of Southwest France's most sought-after villages. Set on the sunny southern side of the iconic hilltop village of Cordes-sur-Ciel, this beautifully restored white stone property combines character, flexibility, and breathtaking views in one of the Tarn's most sought-after locations. Surrounded by peace and open countryside, the house immediately captures the essence of relaxed Southwest France living, where warm stone walls, blue shutters, and endless natural light create a home that feels both elegant and welcoming. Inside, thoughtful renovation has carefully preserved the character of the property, with exposed beams and original stonework blending beautifully alongside neutral tones and quality finishes throughout. The main living space is bright, open, and designed for easy everyday living. A fitted kitchen flows naturally into the spacious lounge and dining area, creating a sociable heart to the home, ideal for long lunches, family gatherings, or quiet evenings overlooking the countryside. 2 comfortable bedrooms occupy the upper level, including one with its own shower room, WC, and even a private sauna, adding a gentle touch of luxury to daily life. On the garden level, the property reveals even more potential. With direct access to the terrace and swimming pool, this space could easily become a completely independent apartment with multiple bedrooms and living areas, subject to the necessary permissions. Whether for guests, extended family, or tourism income, the flexibility here is exceptional. Outside, the swimming pool and terraces become natural extensions of the home, perfect for enjoying warm summer afternoons surrounded by calm and panoramic views. The garage adds practicality, while the location itself offers the perfect balance between tranquility and convenience. With shops nearby, Albi within easy reach, and Toulouse Airport less than 2 hours away. Whether imagined as a spacious family home, a dual living property, or a lifestyle business opportunity, this is a house filled with light, charm, and possibility. A rare find in one of the most beautiful corners of Southwest France. Tucked away in the peaceful Tarn countryside, just 18 kilometers from the beautiful cathedral city of Albi, this charming renovated farmhouse offers the perfect blend of rural tranquility, modern comfort, and lifestyle potential. Set at the end of a quiet no-through road, the property immediately feels private and relaxed, surrounded by landscape gardens, open skies, and the slower rhythm of Southwest France living. At the heart of the home is a beautifully renovated main house, where authentic character sits effortlessly alongside contemporary design. Exposed wooden beams and a wood-burning stove create warmth and atmosphere, while the bright open-plan kitchen flows directly onto the terrace, inviting long outdoor lunches and relaxed evenings with family and friends. The accommodation is spacious and thoughtfully arranged, with 3 generous bedrooms and 3 bathrooms offering comfort and flexibility for everyday living or hosting guests. Alongside the main house, a completely independent 2-bedroom gîte opens up exciting possibilities. Whether welcoming visiting family, creating a holiday rental business, or simply enjoying additional private accommodation, the setup is perfectly suited to modern lifestyle living. Outside, the property truly comes into its own. Landscaped gardens surround a stunning heated saltwater swimming pool, perfectly positioned to enjoy the sunshine and peaceful countryside setting. The terrace becomes a natural extension of the home, ideal for entertaining, unwinding, or simply soaking in the calm atmosphere of the Tarn. Recent upgrades, including modern drainage systems, updated heating, contemporary bathrooms, and quality renovations throughout, ensure the property is ready to enjoy from day one. And while the setting feels wonderfully rural, local amenities and village services remain close at hand, with Albi and Toulouse both easily accessible. Whether you're searching for a family home, a countryside escape, or a property with income potential, this farmhouse offers a rare combination of charm, flexibility, and lifestyle in one of the most beautiful regions of southern France. A truly special opportunity in the heart of Occitan.